Bonjour, my name is Madame Rosa. Welcome to my French adventure. This is a course that is specifically designed for children between the ages of 6 and 10. There aren't many courses out there that cater specifically for children. In this French adventure, you will be learning lots of new things. You will be going to Paris, and there you will meet new people who will teach you vocabulary. You will meet Madame Lily, Monsieur Bonbon, Mademoiselle Charmante. This course covers certain vocabulary. You will be learning words about food, colors. You will learn numbers from 1 to 30. You will also be learning certain animal names. In this course, you will be learning how to present yourself. So, you will answer questions like, what is your name? How old are you? How are you doing? You will also learn other questions like, how much does it cost? Which color? What is this? And who is this? Each lesson works like this. First, you get introduced to the topic and the vocabulary, and then you go and practice it on your French adventure where you will be meeting all these people. We're going to have so much fun. Are you excited to do this French adventure? I can't wait. See you there!